Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Netflix as an app on laptop. So to start, open any browser, then go to the search bar and search for Netflix. So go to netflix.com, and once you're here, you can sign in if you want to. Next, go to the three dots at the top right, then scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. So once you're on Cast, Save, and Share, look for Install Page as App from the options and click on it. And right here, so you can rename the app and you can click install to confirm the action. And Netflix will be installed, or you can use it as an app on your laptop. You can also go to Microsoft Store and search for Netflix in here. So open it and click on install or get button. So depending on your device. So click on install. It's not preparing to download. So it's just wait for it to finish. It's actually very fast. And once done, just click on open. And you can now sign into your Netflix account and watch the movies that you like. And you can use it as an app on your laptop. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.